Being apart from the girl you like can be one of the hardest things you ever have to do. So how do you make sure the girl misses you while you're gone? All you have to do is leave her wanting to see more of you, make her enjoy the time you do spend together, and take steps to remind her of how much she likes you even when you're apart. If you make a real effort, then the saying, out of sight, out of mind, won't be true for you at all. 1. Check in with her a bit when you're apart. If you want the girl to miss you when you're not together, then you have to remind her of your presence from time to time. Send her a text to say hi or to see how her day is going, or give her a quick call to tell her about what you've been up to. You can also send her an email from work or shoot her a quick text when you're away with your friend for the weekend. Make sure you talk to her just enough that she doesn't forget about you, but that she also doesn't feel smothered by you, either. If you're apart, make sure you're not always the one getting in touch first. You can call or text her from time to time, but you shouldn't make her take you for granted and feel like you'll always call even if she doesn't. If you know she has something important coming up, such as a job interview or a volleyball game, then check in with her to wish her luck. If it just happened, check in to see how it went. This will show her that you care and that you are paying attention, even if you're not always around. 2. Be the last thing she thinks about at night. One trick to getting the girl to miss you is to make sure you're on her mind as she's getting ready for bed. You can send her a sweet text or plan your phone calls so you talk to her later in the evening, so she thinks of you as she goes to bed and maybe even dreams about you. She also may wake up thinking about the great conversation you had, and will miss you even more as a result. Talking to her before she gets ready for bed will give you a better chance of really capturing her attention. She'll be winding down and will be able to focus on you more easily instead of talking to you while having a million other things going on at the same time. Of course, make sure it's okay for her to talk on the phone late at night. You don't want her to get in trouble with her parents. 3. Give her something that reminds her of you. Another way to make sure that the girl misses you is to give her something that makes it so you're never far from her mind. It can be a necklace you gave her for her birthday, a letter you wrote to her, a sweatshirt that smells like you that you let her borrow, or a book or CD that you thought she would really like. These physical objects will make it so you have a bigger presence in her life, and she'll be more likely to miss you while you're away. You can get her a memento on one of your dates. Winning her a stuffed animal at a carnival or getting her a small souvenir from a trip you go on together will give her something that reminds her of you. You don't need to splurge on this item. What's most important is that it makes her think of you, not the heft of the price tag. 4. Write her a sweet note. Another way to make a girl miss you is to write her a sweet and sincere note about how much you like her. It doesn't have to be long or too detailed, but it should make her see that you really do care for her. You can hand it to her on one of your dates or even mail it to her if you're apart. She will keep the note and may even read it over again to be reminded of you. Giving her some physical proof of how much you care for her can make her miss you even more. You shouldn't write the note just to get her to miss you. Make sure that everything you write is sincere and from the heart. If you're too calculating, she'll be able to tell. 5. Ask her questions to show an interest in her life. If you want the girl to miss you and to care for you more, then you should ask her questions about herself, whether you do so in person, over the phone, or in a letter. You don't need to pry or ask her too many things to show her that you care. If you're with her in person, you can ask her about her family, her pets, her weekend plans, her friends, or her hobbies. If you're texting her, you can follow up about an important event in her life or just ask how her day is going. The truth is that if you really want to get a girl to like you, you have to show that you're interested in her. This is much more important than being the coolest or most fascinating guy around. At the end of the day, girls just want guys who actually care about them. If the girl really feels like you care about her, then she'll miss you even more when you're gone. Make sure you actually remember the answers to your questions. If the girl feels like she has to keep repeating herself around you, then she'll get the sense that you don't really care. 6. Treat her well when you're together. You don't need to be Mr. Too Cool when you're with the girl you like. If you want her to miss you when you're gone, then you should do your best to make an impression on her when you're together. Make sure to charm her, make her laugh, make her feel special, and generally let her see that you do care about her without coming on too strong. You want her to remember you for the caring, smart, interesting person that you are. so you have to make the most of your time together, especially if you don't have a lot of it. Be attentive. Pay close attention to her to make sure she's having a good time and that she doesn't need anything, like a glass of water or a change of scenery. Make her laugh. Don't worry about being romantic all the time. Relax and be a goofball around her and she'll like you all the more for it. Let her talk. Make sure you don't do more than roughly half of the talking. You don't want her to feel like you're lecturing her or showing off by talking too much. 7. Leave your conversations on a good note. When you do spend time with the girl you like, you should make sure that you don't overstay your welcome. Instead, wait until you're having a great time talking and then tell her that you have to get going. As long as you weren't supposed to hang out with her for longer, this won't hurt her feelings. When the conversation is at its peak, she'll be thinking highly of you, so you want to leave her with a positive impression of you when you're gone. If you hang around too long until you both are struggling to come up with something to talk about, then the girl won't remember you as being a fun person to talk to. Instead, leave while you still have plenty of things to say to each other so she feels excited to pick up your conversation the next time.